What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I will show you how they prepare or they do this decoration at my back. This coming October 1 to 7, Chinese people, they are celebrating Full Moon Festival. Because Chinese believe that the moon on the 5th day of 8th lunar month is the biggest and fullest and brightest of the year and give it a meaning to the reunion on the festival day. Chinese people would go home to reunite with other family members. One the night they are appreciate the full moon and eat mooncake together. So that's why they are celebrating the festival because uh, ancient Chinese emperor worshipped the moon in the autumn to thank it for the harvest. But the ordinary people, they took Mid-Autumn Festival to be celebrate their hard works and harvest or any blessings that they come to their life at this year. But nowadays, people mainly celebrate Moon Festival at the time for the family reunion. Why this traditional full moon festival was very important for the Chinese people because it symbolizes completeness and reunion. Those are the sharing and eating the mooncake. If you can see guys, you can see the sweet and circle cake, and then have egg yolk, salty egg yolk inside in it. They are the one who eat it together with the family because they want it reunite all the family, and every family member are complete together at that year and more blessings to come, and they have also a good health and good money. Ito meron din. Kakabit. Ayan. O, diba? Very good Ayan. Ayan po nila ginagawa yan. Ayan. Kahit na makulimlim. The making. Ito yung nagmamandar. Ayan. Marami silang tauhan para mabuo yan. Ayan nila ginagawa yan. Ang sipag. Ayan si Uncle. Ayan. Hinihiwalay-hiwalay po nila yan muna bago kinakabit doon. Ayan si Uncle, oh. Nagbubuhol. Ayan si Uncle. Hello, hi, Uncle. Ayan si Uncle, lalagay. Ano nila Oye! Oye, oye! Oye! Hi! On fire, and I can't help thinking of you. Late tonight, the sun is getting higher.
My head in the clouds, I don't know where we go. I feel like it's changed, love. I'm losing my mind, feeling that kind of love. I feel like a deep hole. Give me something that I can give you here. Tell me what you're thinking. I need to know you're feeling. If you can show me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. Here I am, falling down, crashing down, and I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down, deep inside, and I feel like I don't need you. We're fine, we see our sun shining, and all these good times, we know we had something. Don't feel the vibe when we're not floating. Ain't a good time when it's a darker sin. You give me something that I can't give you here. Tell me what you're thinking. I need to know you're feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. You give me something that I can't give you here. Tell me what you're thinking. I need to know you're feeling. If you can show me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. Here I am, falling down, crashing down, and I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down, deep inside, and I feel like I don't need you. Change love. I'm losing my mind, feeling like something that I can't give you here. Tell me what you're thinking. I need to know you're feeling. If you can show me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. Here I am, falling down, crashing down, and I feel like I don't need you. Here I am.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave the comment below, and God bless. Stay tuned.